Are you wanting to become a psychic medium, and are you ready to take the plunge? Well, my friends, you have found the correct channel. Yes, you have been led to this video for a reason. My name is Psychic Medium Jordan Coburn, and I can prove with evidence of the afterlife. You have all been conditioned to believe that the spirit world aren't there, or you simply don't have the humanistic gifts to be able to communicate. Well, we debunk those notions and theories, and we have a 100% success rate if you put the time, the effort, the hard work in. Well, each and every one of you from these lives, these videos, will gain a good understanding that will serve you. My message is simple. It is to help individuals who are lost, heal individuals who are suffering from pain and grief, and to serve the almighty spirit world and realms. My friends, each and every one of you have the capabilities within your tool sets to be able to become great mediums. Whether you want to become a psychic, you want to become a medium, you want to use divination tools, yada yada yada, we can show you it all here at Help Heal Serve. So if you do think that this sounds good and you are ready to put in some hard work and you are ready to raise that bar and to show mankind that each and every one of you can and will contact the spirit world, then watch this video, smash the like button, leave a comment if you've got any questions, and subscribe to the channel. Until the next time, I look forward to seeing you. Bye bye for now.